Welcome back to the Brickerding Railroad, and today we are going to take a look at the first ever 1 in 48 scale L-gauge Lego train kit produced by the Brickerding Railroad. The car will retail for $100 unloaded with the options for removable aggregate and coal loads. The car will be made available for the retail price on the Brickerding Railroad website for the United States only, and also available for a slight price increase on eBay for anyone in the US and international buyers. The price increase is due to eBay fees, but let's look at the kit itself. The car being modeled in the kit is a Reading Railroad GHD composite gondola, which in real life would be made out of wood and metal, which is very nicely represented with some snot techniques on the side panels and some tiles on the base. The cars were produced from 1913 to 1918, with a total of 1,500 cars being produced. The gondolas would last in service on the Reading until up to 1956, with many of them being sold to Bethlehem Steel and other industries, making them a perfect addition to any steam or transition era collection. The cars in service would have held anything from milk jugs and auto frames to aggregate and coal. In the future, if the kit sells well, I may offer more loads for the gondola, but right now we're going to have the aggregate and coal loads only. The kit itself will contain almost this exact model with some slight modifications to improve structural stability or looks. So let's take a quick look at the model and some of its features. So on first glance, you can see the snot techniques used for the side panels as mentioned before. That is studs not on top. Creates a nice wood and metal finish. The car is 8 studs wide total. The trucks are custom designs with minifig hands being used. And if I take out the aggregate load, here's a quick look at the inside. Got a brake wheel on one side. We take off the truck. You can see I'm using the standard Lego magnet coupler. This would be compatible with some of the brick model railroader couplers. In the future, if this kit sells well and I end up doing more kits, I might end up making brick model railroader couplers an option, but initially it will not, as that would involve a major price increase. Trucks are somewhat stable with this design. There's one flaw where if there's a force applied downwards, this could come loose. That is being fixed in the actual design with crossplate going in there. The kits will contain wheel sets that may or may not be Lego parts. The kit will be almost 100% Lego parts, but the wheel sets will likely not be 100% Lego, as they are going to be all bearing wheel sets to allow for better rollability. These wheel sets have the wheels glued on or very nicely pressure fitted. If a wheel falls off in a kit, it can be easily super glued back on. But the kits will come with the wheels assembled, and I will test to make sure that they roll effectively. The car is very structurally stable. I've used this in a variety of exhibits. I have 2 of these cars because I have liked them in my collection so much. The one to the left uses an older style decal. The cars being sold will have this exact style lettering. It will just be on printer paper. They will not be actual decals. What you can do with the printer paper and what I do with my Lego trains is I cut out the printer paper and then use shipping tape, such as this, to tape over the letters, cut them down to a smaller size, and then stick them onto the car. This again is how I keep the price under $100 for the base car. There is the full overview of the GHD composite gondola. Once the first kits are ordered, I will be able to show off some of the packaging. So stay tuned for updates on future Brickard and Railroad kits, exhibits, and projects. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed watching this, and make sure to check out the description for links to the Brickard and Railroad website and the Brickard and Railroad eBay store.